family. What y'all doing? Hi, hope everyone is doing well. This is Mrs. O, and I'm back again, you guys. Yeah, I took a breather, right? I've been taking some long breathers lately. But anyway, today I'm going to do a quick goulash. Now, I've done a goulash before, so if you check my, what do they call? In my favorites, you'll see that I have a goulash, but I'm just gonna kind of pipe this one up just a little bit, you know, since fall is approaching. And goulash is really, really good, you guys. All right, I want to thank everyone. I know I'm sounding so dead. I ain't too long woke up. I just kind of took me a quick nap and, whoo, still kind of sleepy. But anyway, let's get right to the ingredients, okay? You see here I have 2 14.5 ounces of zesty chili style. I'm using the zesty chili style because I like the chili powder in my goulash. So I wanted the tomatoes to have kind of that Mexican style going on. Here I have a 32 ounce of unsalted chicken stock that I'm going to use, all right? And we have, of course, 1 onion here, 1 bell pepper here. We have a box of elbow macaroni. You see that? And we have kosher salt, garlic powder. We have celery seed. We have onion powder. And the start of the show, I got ground turkey, 93% lean and 7% fat. And you guys, if you're in Trader Joe's, this ground turkey was on sale. Regular, I think it was $5 or $6.99 for $3.99 a pack. This does freeze well, so go get you a couple and freeze it. And make sure you check the expiration date. All right, with that being said, I'm going to cut up the onion, bell pepper, and we will need a little canola oil to saute our vegetables. So I'll be back. You guys, stay close. All right, family, I've diced the onions and bell peppers, and we're going to let them cook, let's say for 10 minutes, because I want the onions translucent and the bell pepper salt. So we're going to, by the way, I put in a tablespoon of canola oil. And also, you guys, I forgot to show you the okra that I will be adding to this. But remember, cook your onions and bell peppers for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to add the ground turkey. This onion and bell pepper mixture smells amazing. All right, I'll be back in 10 minutes. I've let the bell pepper and onion saute for 10 minutes. Now I have added the ground turkey. Of course, you can substitute this for ground beef. And we're going to let this cook until the turkey meat is nice and brown. Also, I added the seasonings to it. So what I'm going to do in the description box, I'm going to give you the seasoning, but I'm not going to give you the amount. I am going to say according to your taste. Some people like more black pepper. Some people like more garlic powder. So I'm just going to give the seasonings, and then I'm going to say according to your taste. All right. Once we finish grounding up this ground turkey, we'll come back and add the zesty chili style diced tomato. All right, I want to show you guys something. You see all this liquid in here? Make sure you reduce it down. Anytime you reduce a liquid down, it intensifies the flavor. So we want all of this liquid cooked out of the ground turkey, and it will intensify the flavor of it. Whether it's gravy or beans or sauce, if you cook it down, it will intensify the flavor. Okay, and next, the 2 cans of zesty chili style tomatoes. Pour them into a bowl. Take your hand, of course with gloves on, and just smash them. You don't want just whole tomatoes in there. So just kind of smash them and break them up. So after the meat is done, we're going to add the tomatoes. We're going to add the chicken stock. We're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. In the last 10 minutes of the goulash, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of your elbow macaroni, and I'm going to say a cup of your okra. Now this is just the last 15 minutes of it because you don't want your okra slimy and you don't want your pasta mushy. All right, so when I come back, we'll see the final product and presentation of goulash. All right, here we go. I've added the okra and the pasta. Do not pre-cook your pasta. It will cook in this sauce, which will give it a nice flavor, and it won't be mushy. Turn this on medium-high. Cook it for 10 minutes. Cut it off, and then put the top on it. All right, and let me make a correction. I said in the last 15 minutes add the okra and the pasta. That is incorrect. The last 10 minutes add the pasta and the okra. And you see the pasta is small now, but once it's finished, you will see a beautiful product. All right, you guys, 10 minutes, cut it off, then put the top on it. All right, we're heading to the train station, and also on a medium-high because I want this to semi-boil because everything is really done. And when you cut it medium-high, it also thickens nicely. All right, Royal Family, here is the finished product and presentation of goulash. I know there was a man that on my last video told me this wasn't goulash. If you guys look it up, there are 2 types of goulash. One Hungarian, and then there is an American goulash. But my thought is, whatever you cook, you can call it whatever you want. All right, you guys, this was really hot, so I did not plate it up. I just left it in the pot. And I really appreciate you guys, my new subscribers and my old subscribers, coming back and looking at my old videos. I really appreciate that. If you like my content, please comment, share, and subscribe. And I am so sorry that I am kind of sporadic at the moment. I'm still trying to get settled in. I know it's been a while, you guys, but I will see you again soon. God bless you. I appreciate you guys. And by the way, go check out my son. That boy can cook. That name is self-explanatory. All right, love you guys. I'll see you soon.